If you have taken this course or you're about to take this course, you might be interested in how to make money as a data analyst. This particular course here teaches you how you can actually start making money as a data analyst. And what you can see right in here is some couple of dashboards I have built in both Excel and Microsoft Power BI. So here is Excel, and over here, this is the Power BI version. I'm going to show you how to create these particular dashboards inside Microsoft Power BI, but this is just a bonus to what we are going to actually talk about in this very course. So this course is focused mainly on how to make money. It is very important for me to show you this because I can't talk about me making money as a data analyst without showing you exactly what I do to make people give me their money. So for that, this dashboard here is a proof that I can actually analyze data, create reports, give clients what they want, and actually get paid for it. So that is exactly the same thing that you are going to do to actually make money if you truly want to make money. So for that, I have actually added this particular part of the course to help you learn how to answer business questions. So our key focus is on looking at the different channels available for you to make money and how you can set yourself to be visible in order to make the money. You can't make money in isolation. It's never done that way. So to make money, you have two different ways to make it: selling products or selling services. So we are not selling products right in here. Instead, we are about to sell our services, right? And there are different services you can sell as a data analyst. So I have packaged everything inside this particular course. If you are very interested, all you have to do is to sign up right now and actually take a look at what you can learn from it. So this is very important. Please take note of this. I am not guaranteeing you to actually make, 6 figures, 5 figures. No. Instead, I am giving you the roadmap. So making 6 or 5 figures all depends on you. It depends on your capacities. It depends on how much work you put in it. It depends on how much time you have. It depends on the channels you want to go. It depends on the action you have actually taken or you are going to take. You better understand this. So Mr. A might actually buy the same course right now and start making money within some couple of months, while Mr. B will buy this course and just go ahead and sleep and not even watch it for any reason, and he will actually come back and actually tell you that that course is a junk. No, I have purchased several courses that doesn't give me what I want. You understand? And I have purchased several courses that have given me what I want. And if I go to the comment section of those courses that have given me what I really wanted, I see people complaining. And that was because of their learning pattern. You don't watch courses like a movie. No, you watch and you practice. So in this particular course, there are several places where I talk to you the way I'm talking to you right now, giving you the best industry advice and what you can do to replicate what I've done. I've shown you live receipts, not edited by any AI. I went into my account and show you every single proof of every single money that came in and how much I charge, how I actually charge, and every single thing. You'll see that live and direct. The next thing you have to do is to take action to get that done. And for me to make sure I give you what it is that you need to do to make the money, I have actually added this particular part of the course for you to be able to understand how I actually answer business questions, which is very important. So if you are ready to actually take this particular course, click on it right now. And if you have taken this particular course, start watching because there are so many goodies right in here. See you in the videos.